Family Finance Fiesta. Budgeting tips for homemakers. Practical financial advice for managing household budgets and ensuring financial well-being. Welcome to a space where we demystify the complexities of household finances, a place where practicality meets empowerment. Today, let's embark on a journey together, exploring practical financial advice to manage household budgets and ensuring lasting financial well-being. In the hustle of daily life, managing household finances can feel like a daunting task, but fear not, for financial well-being is not an attainable dream. It's a journey paved with practical steps and informed decisions. Let's delve into the art of budgeting, saving, and building a foundation for financial resilience. First and foremost, let's talk about budgeting, the cornerstone of financial stability. Whether you are a seasoned budgeter or just starting, creating a comprehensive budget that covers both necessities and discretionary spending is a crucial step. It's about aligning your financial priorities, your life goals, and ensuring that your money works for you, not the other way around. Now, let's explore the importance of an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial safety net can make all the difference. We will discuss how to build and maintain an emergency fund, providing peace of mind during unexpected turns of events. Debt is a word that carries weight. Today, we will tackle the strategies for managing and reducing debt, from credit cards to loans. Understanding the impact of debt on your financial well-being is the first step toward financial freedom. Investing, often seen as a complex realm, is actually a powerful tool for building wealth. We will demystify the basics of investing and discuss how even small, consistent contributions can grow over time, paving the way for the future financial security. As we conclude our journey through practical financial advice, remember that financial well-being is not a destination but a continuous process of learning and adapting. Whether you are setting financial goals, navigating a budget, or planning for the future, the power to shape your financial destiny is in your hands. So, let's empower ourselves with knowledge and practical strategies, ensuring that our household budget not only meet our needs today, but lay the foundation for a financially secure tomorrow. Welcome to the journey of financial empowerment. It's time to take control and thrive.